Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you being on the market for good quality, amazing, probably the best luxury formats that you can find for your car. We're talking about Manicci formats. Those are some of the best formats guys that I had my hands on. They're amazing. They're so good that we actually bought them for a second car that we have. Stay with us. We're going to explain about that, where you can get them from at a really good price, quick shipping as well guys. Okay, we're going to talk about that, but before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission is to save as much money as we can. We take engines apart, transmissions, bodywork, anything you can think of, and we're constantly building something. You can find quite helpful information on our YouTube channels. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And something else guys, okay, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll share the links in the description of the video below under our videos as well. So let's go ahead, install those Manicci formats now guys, okay, and see how they will fit that Dodge. They're simply amazing guys. The quality of the formats is out of this world. Manicci luxury formats, you can see they have that matte finish. They're not like those cheap shiny ones. I've used them before for a long time, okay, and they're really good guys, okay. Now they feel like they're multi-layer formats, so that's simply amazing guys. Okay, they're soft, they have padding underneath, they have anchor points here, so that way nothing will move, everything will fit correctly. And we even got the one for the trunk as well guys, okay, the trunk liner here too. So we'll go ahead, install them now. Okay, we're going to put now right here the passenger side, and we're going to see what it will look like now. So let's go ahead, put it. We have, you can see the kind of like the stone cover seats, kind of like between gray and white, and we ordered that cover formats as well so we can match that. I think it will make the car look way brighter as well. And you can see these things. All we have to do just put them, turn them, and you can see it's not going anywhere guys. That's 360-degree protection for your carpet, original car carpet, so it will look amazing. You can see it's definitely guys worth the money. The fitment is amazing. This is probably some of the best fitting formats that I personally try. When we used quite a few different formats through the years, we reviewed quite a few, but the Manicci ones, they're my favorite. Okay, if I want to keep my car clean and looking like brand new, I want to preserve it, that will be the way to go. You have that luxury feeling of formats that fit correctly, and everything is made, okay, out of great materials as well. You can see we installed the front ones and the front right one, and simply fits really good. So we will install the other ones and then we'll continue with the next step. So before we guys continue, let's go ahead and show you how they fit on the BMW. We will install the one in the trunk on that one too, so you can see guys, okay, what everything looks like. So let's go ahead, do that, and we'll continue. So we love those Manicci formats so much guys that we got another set. Okay, this is my BMW wagon. It's a car with sentimental value guys. It's older, I want to protect it as much as I can. I love that thing. We got a set of those, and you can see the formats are simply amazing guys. The fitting is amazing around the corners, around the pedals, especially on those German vehicles guys, where you have the 4-pedal. It goes all the way to the top, 360-degree protection. You come on this side as well towards the back, you can see simply amazing. Even if you spill something, okay, that fluid is not going anywhere, it's not going to ruin your carpet. And having kids or pets, it's a big plus too guys. And we have the cargo mat as well. Let's go ahead and install them on the Dodge now, and we'll continue. So we're going to go ahead, put the one right here now. You saw how good they look on that BMW, simply amazing guys. So we'll go ahead, put the trunk liner. Just love that thing. It's self-sticking, so it doesn't move. It just needs a little bit of time to flatten itself because it's in the box. We installed the one on the driver's side, and I want to show you what it looks like now. Okay, it's amazing guys. Those are some of the best formats you can get for the money in my opinion, right here. Now, if you want to see where you can get them from, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out. If you have any questions, let us know. Their contact support team is amazing as well. They made sure that we'll get the right formats and everything is great. Great customer service. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.